Hello, my beautiful friends. This week, I'm showing you a little bit about Amazon storage. What's really cool about Amazon storage is they actually give you a year for free, which is nice. And then you just pay based on your usage. So your usage means how many people are downloading. So it's nothing astronomical. It's not based on how much stuff you have or anything. It's based on how much people are using. So you can sign up for free. I'm going to go ahead and sign into my account. Go here. And then what's great about this is you can store all your PDFs. You can store all of your videos. Let's say you have a file that's really, really big that you want to send to someone, as I know someone needs to do. This is the perfect way to upload it and be able to send them the link to it so they can download it on their own. It's really, really awesome. It makes life really, really easy. So here we go. You see I'm signing into my console. And so I'm going to look for, there's a lot of good stuff in here. Today, I'm just going to show you about the storage, which is called S3. If it's not up here, by the way, you can just type in here, search S3, scalable storage, and it'll come up. So one thing you have to know is that once you put it in a folder, you can't move it. So be confident about where you're putting it. So it goes in that folder and that's the end of it. So I'm going to go ahead and open up a folder here. First, I'm going to show you just how to upload something. So let's go authors, and they call them buckets, by the way. And then you go in and create the folder. And here I have some folders already set up, but I'm going to go ahead and just upload a PDF. So let's see, you can drag and drop, but I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way. Let's see, what do we have here? A good one we can upload. The Gita. That's always a good one to upload. So here we go. Now I'm going to click next, and you can do multiple, obviously. And the next thing we want to do is manage public permission. So this one here, you want to make sure that you grant public access. That means that when you send the link to someone, they will be able to open it. If this isn't checked, you're going to send them the link and they're just going to say that they don't have access to it, which defeats the whole purpose. So make sure that's in, and then we're going to hit next. We're going to click upload, and it's going to do its thing. So as that's uploading, I'm just going to show you. So here is, for example, it's already uploaded, even better. So here's the Gita, and I'm going to go ahead, and if you right click it, this lovely little box will show up for you. And in this lovely little box, you can scroll down, it gives you the link. So what I can do is actually, I put a new window, that's fine. You can actually just open the document, the PDF, right there. So this is good if you have a freebie that you want to send to people. This is good if you have, like I said, a file that's too large. I use this also for my podcast storage. Instead of using Libsyn, I upload my podcasts here. So that works out great. Again, these PDFs are awesome. You can also send these PDFs, if it's for personal use, you can send it to your Evernote. But if you're trying to send it for like a free opt-in that you created or information for a course, this is the perfect place to store it. And again, you can store videos. The videos, I should warn you, they don't really embed well, especially in WordPress. So it's not like you can put the video here and then embed it so that people can view it. That's not as easy to do. But you can put a video here, send it to someone so that they can download it and watch it in their own time. That is definitely an option, because sending videos can get hard because they're big files. So that's something to think about too. And that's how I use Amazon storage. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. Talk to you later. Bye.